I'm feeling in control. Live a little cause we know on the bench we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, you didn't leave in mind. And for those behind, you will find there's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat, it's really long. But the time to get ready, you better know what to do. Or even not even know, not even know, we're not changing with you. Not changing, we're trying for whatever comes. And the lights die, and don't you ever see you in bed. Inside my never-ending thoughts, I'm trying hard 'cause I know what it costs. If one day we'll run out of time, memories will leave me. I'm anything we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. If one day we'll run out of time, memories will leave me. I'm coming when push comes to shove. That's listen up, it won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time again. Respect it, don't understand that friends you know lost in life. All I can hide when there's no reset in this world. So I'll never ever walk away with souls left untried. So I'm living anyway. I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead the way to better days. Savor every moment with me while we hit the sun one day. Memories are leaving behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you